Performing a background check for Uber in Canada is a straightforward process. Today I'll explain how to complete this task. To begin, access the Uber Eats delivery account website. If you already have an account, ensure to select I already have an account option. Next, log in to your account. Once logged in, you'll need to fill out certain details to complete the background check documentation. The background check involves providing information about your residency history and passport details. For residency history, you'll be required to list your addresses for the past 5 years. If you're new to Canada, you can include addresses from your home country without any issues. Additionally, you'll need to provide a scan or photo of your passport. Simply upload the necessary documents as instructed. This completes the background check process for Uber in Canada. I hope you find this tutorial helpful in navigating the requirements effectively.